Red color guys ha. 52 grams guys, 2 grams. Guys, 2 grams. Yan guys, ready na 2 grams ha guys. Yung naman natin ay flour 20 grams. Yan guys ha, flour 20 grams. $17. 20 grams na flour guys, yan ha. Gagawa tayo ng red color. Ayan, 20 grams guys ha. Ayan, ready na siya guys. Oh. And then water 60. Water 60 grams. Ayan guys. Oh, tumaas siya guys. Naging 70. No problem nga guys ha. Add tayo ng olive oil guys ha. 60 grams. Gagawa tayo ng red color. Yan, okay lang kahit labis guys. I-mix lang natin sa maayos guys ha. Yan guys ha. Red for decoration guys. Yan guys, start na tayo. Yan. Yan, gano'n siya maganda guys ha. Ganyan na siya kasimpleng gawin. For decoration lang yun guys ha. Yan guys ha, for decoration. You see? Ha? Yan. Guys ha, tingnan mo guys. Ano na natin siya. Wow. Video lang natin para madali pa rin sa reduce. Yan guys. Oh, you see? Guys ha, ganyan nyo. For decoration only guys. Yan guys, ready na siya. Dalawang set ito guys. Nagawa ko ng dalawang set guys ha. See guys how to make good. Yan guys ha, only for decoration guys ha. See the following, only for decoration of all items, pasta, steak, good color, good looking. Oh, now Miya color. Wait. Ada tani, ada small. Finish na siya guys ha. Yan na. Yung topic na guys ha. Thank you for watching guys.